we're gonna take this bracket out. We have the 12 bolt one. That's actually the one from the 10 bolt. Just used it to mock up our hard lines back here. So I'm gonna swap that out real quick. And then we're gonna work on our parking brake cables. And hopefully later bleed the brakes. We're just waiting on the parts store to bring us some stuff. Did you just hit your head?
Yeah.
I heard that. So this is the one for a factory 12 bolt, and it really doesn't fit as well as the 10 bolt one does with this bitchin' Mosier diff cover. So we're gonna go back and put the 10 bolt one back as it fits a little better. But it's always worth a try, right? Parking brake cable. Wick and I just got this guy fed through and clipped. Got it up here, up through the firewall, and into the interior. Now our next step is going to be taking and getting everything positioned, because this cable goes, oop, Wick, you all right?
Yeah.
Pretty close to the center. And then we'll work on our rear ones, which are 794 miles too long. Thanks Mosier / Willwood / Low Car / whoever bought what from whomever. So Wick and I have mocked up our battery cable sleeves from the control arm mount to the mount on the housing. Got those all cut, trimmed nice, fitting beautifully. Got those on both sides. Those are from Low Car. So we got that up and in. Wick's got, ow shit. And I got this up and in here, all done as you saw. We got the adjusters here, ready to go. We have some ferrules coming for our cables, so next week we can trim them and get everything together and adjust it. All right, we're gonna fill our diff with diff fluid and our Kendall limited slip additive concentrate. We'll put this in first. We put 1 ounce to 1 pint of gear oil. Of course, this does meet Ford, Dana, and Chrysler specs, but this is Pontiac, so we don't care. So we'll put this 4 ounce bottle, dump this baby in there, get a couple quarts of oil in it. Away we go. Bye! Allie was here. You'll see this in 3 to 6 weeks. You too. All right, got our gear oil in. Put our plug back. Put my baby down. Another little project done.